Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to reschedule roadmap items. When you create a new item, it is automatically positioned where you clicked on the time frame. For tasks, a default duration is also applied. You may then need to adjust your schedule. The quickest way is to drag and drop items to a new position on the timeline. For tasks, you can also change the duration by dragging either end of the taskbar. Move the edge to the right or to the left to extend or shorten the duration. If you need more precise planning, click on the item and open the Planning tab. This Planning tab allows you to manage three types of dates. Baseline dates, which represent your original plan. Planned dates, which represent the current schedule. Actual dates, which record when the work actually started or finished. By default, roadmap items are displayed using their planned dates. However, once an actual date is entered, it takes priority over the planned date on the timeline. For example, let's enter an actual start date 1 month later than the planned date. The task now starts in March instead of February. And that's it. Now it's your turn.